How to split clips in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and go to the Edit tab. Then, import your video into the media pool. Once it's imported, drag it to the timeline at the bottom of the screen, where you will be doing your edits. Next, move the playhead to the exact point where you want to split the clip. You can zoom into the timeline using the zoom slider or scroll your mouse wheel while holding the Alt key to get a more precise cut. Now, to split the clip, simply press the B key on your keyboard to activate the blade tool. Once activated, click on the clip at the playhead position. This will create a clean cut right where you clicked. If you prefer shortcuts, you can instead press Ctrl B while the playhead is on the desired frame, and it will instantly split the clip. After splitting, you can use the regular selection tool again by pressing the A key, and from there, move or delete the segments as needed. If you make a mistake, just press Ctrl Z to undo it. This method works across all tracks on the timeline, and you can split video, audio, or both at the same time depending on what's selected. It's a powerful way to trim, rearrange, or apply effects to specific parts of your footage. And that's it. Now you know how to split clips in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.